So in this video, you'll learn how to set an image as a watch face on your Huawei Band 10. So for this, you'll need to open the Huawei Health app on your phone, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone. Once you've launched the Huawei Health app, you then want to navigate to Devices and then select your band. From here, go to Watch Faces and select it. And then select My Dial. And then you want to scroll down until you find this option labeled Gallery. So select that, and then it will prompt you to start customizing the watch face. So to do that, select the image you want. So just tap on this plus icon here, then choose to either take a photo, so you can just take a photo directly from your phone camera, or you can choose an image from your gallery. Then once you've chosen any of those options, if you've chosen to get one from the gallery, you will need to give permission for it to access the gallery app. If you've chosen to take a photo, then you will need to give access for it to the camera app. And so once you've given all the access, just select your image, and then you can choose to zoom in or out and just customize the image to your liking. Once you've finished with the customizations, just tap on this check mark like that, and you'll have saved that image. So from here, you can go a step further by choosing to change the clock style. So you can choose any of these options listed down here, and you'll notice the customizations being applied to the preview. You can scroll down and choose to change the position of the timestamp, and as well as the color, having it match with the background, and any other features that you want to add. Once you're finished with all of the customizations that you wanted to add, just tap on Apply and simply wait for the watch face to be transferred to your Huawei Band 10. You can see the progress appearing here on your phone screen, so just wait patiently. Once you've done that, you can see you successfully set an image as the watch face on your Huawei Band 10. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.